Guys, welcome back to this learning module. Today we're going to begin our demo lessons where I'm going to show you the normalized way of creating our extract load script. Alright, so I'm going to create a new app here. I'm going to call it E, which stands for extract, and I'm going to say data architecture. Right? Now let's hit on the create button. Let's open the app, and I'm going to go to the load editor. Alright. So once we're in the load editor, let's create a new section. And I'm going to rename it as Normalized Structure. Alright. Now I'm going to create a new connection. And I'm going to point it to the place where I store the raw data. Alright. So I'm going to give it the name master script. Alright. So let's hit on the create button. You can find the raw data at the downloadable section. Alright. So let's go to the select data button at the panel in our data connection. Let's hit on it. And let's go to the folder that we stored our raw data. Alright, so here's our raw data. I'm gonna select on our first mapping file here. Let's hit on select. And I'm gonna select the columns that we required. So let's uncheck F3, F4, and the last column here. Let's hit on insert script. So next thing in here, I'm gonna rename it to country. Alright. So I'm gonna repeat the same step again, and I'm gonna go to the select data here, and I go to the folder where I store the raw data. Let's hit on the second mapping file here, and I'm gonna hit on the insert script button. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rename it. Alright. And finally, let's add in the last mapping file that we have in the list. Let's go to sales rep, and let's insert script here. And I'm gonna rename these tables as sales rep. Right? This is only 3 mapping files that we are currently using. What if there is hundreds of mapping files in our real life situations? Alright? So if you're gonna do this for 10 or 20 times, doing the same script again and again, this is not really a very feasible way of creating our extract load script, right? So how can we optimize this script here a much more feasible way for us to update our mapping tables without even have to create this long script here? Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are introducing the normalized data structure in the next tutorial. Alright? So yeah, that's all about the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next module. Thanks and bye bye.